So last night we had a little snowstorm come through. About to go get the family, and I guess we're gonna go play in it today. Let's go! Dude! It snowed last night. You wanna go play in the snow? Alright, let's go! Boy. Y'all ready to hit the hills?
Yep. You ready?
You ready? We about to catch some serious speed. It is time. Let's go! See you later. You ready? Uh-huh. Bye. Oh, wipe out. I'm about to get you. You better hurry. What you stumbling for? Guess it's my turn. Ah! You wanna go with me and brother? Uh-huh. First time going down the slopes. You ready? Let's go! I'm going the wrong way!
Are you ready?
See y'all at the bottom. Struggling to get up.
I can't touch the snow. I don't have waterproof.
Struggling. We got a race. Come on, get on. I got you. Ready? Set, go. Oh, you got a head start. I'm gonna beat you. I won. Oh, but I'll drop my phone. I got caught up. I flipped.
You lose. Mom wins.
I got caught up.
Whatever you want to say.
She didn't win. I flipped right there. Just letting that be known.
Whatever he wants to say. I won.
Oh no. Note to self, don't go down on a small sled together. We had a little blowout, you know. Did y'all have fun?
We had fun.
You ready to go home and build a snowman? You ready to go home?
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa. Yeah! Hey, before we go back out, we gotta eat lunch real quick, all right? What a perfect combination of McDonald's and sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi. And to eat hot chocolate after we're done making the snowman.
All right, let's eat first. All right, stand up. He's stuck. Ooh. Hey, you wanna have a snowball fight before we build a snowman?
Yeah.
I don't think you're ready.
I am.
Let's, boy. Who y'all think's gonna win? Y'all keep track on how many hits we get. Oh, it's on now. tagged him. All right, y'all.
I have a big iceberg that I'm gonna play with.
You ain't about to hit me with that.
Mm-hmm.
Huh? I won the first round. You think you can get me on round 2? No.
Oh no. You didn't hit me. Ow! That was an iceberg!
Come on. Oh. You good? All right, we going to 3 rounds. No. You get beat down? You want to get beat down? 3rd round. You got 3 seconds to run. 1, 2, 3.
You tried. Ow, dude.
Snowball fights are not for the weak. It don't matter what age you are. I won them 3 rounds. It's pretty cold out here. All right, bro. What do you want to do next?
Snowman.
Snowman? All right, here goes our snowman. Hey, y'all, we tried to make a snowman, but I don't know. It just kept falling apart.
It just wasn't sticking.
We're supposed to get more snow this weekend, so hopefully we can make it work this weekend, right? We're about to go make hot cocoa. Let's go! Hot cocoa time!
Hot cocoa time.
So we're gonna be using the hot cocoa made by Dry Creek Design. Shout out to the stepmama-in-law.
Yeah.
Everything you need is in this little jar. All you do is just add hot water or hot milk.
And hot chocolate, and marshmallows.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate and marshmallows.
Marshmallows are in there.
I know.
All right, let's go. So this takes about 8 ounces. Fill up the coffee cup and pop that thing in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. Now we wait. All right, that thing's done. Ow, 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 ow. You want to dump it in there?
Yeah.
All right. All right, go ahead and open it. Look at all them marshmallows.
Soaking in.
Oh, yeah. Now get that spoon, stir it up. And just like that, we have a nice cup of hot chocolate. That's a good cup of hot chocolate. You want to try it? What you think?
Good.
All right, we're going to go enjoy our cup of hot chocolate. And who knows what the rest of the day holds. See y'all. What we about to do now?
Make snow ice cream.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready? Okay.
Go get the snow. No yellow
No yellow snow.
or brown.
Or brown. Getting this snow. It is cold.
Right.
Now that my hand is completely frozen.
You ready? Take a spoonful of sugar. Milk. Okay, Mommy's gonna do the vanilla.
Y'all couldn't see. We got some snow, a spoonful of sugar, some milk, until somebody says stop, and some vanilla. Vanilla.
And we're not following the recipe, we're just winging it. Stir, stir, stir until we get all the sugar dissolved. See how you can hear the sugar on the bottom? See, hear it scratching the bottom of the bowl? It's scratching the bottom. Okay, now we taste it and see if we need to put anything else in it.
Taste it.
Oh, it has a lot of vanilla in it. I think we need to add some milk. What do you think?
Yummy.
You like it? All right, you want to try it, Dad? What do you think?
Oh, that tastes like ice cream.
Yeah,
It tastes like vanilla. That's all you gotta do?
that's all you have to do. Put some snow in a bowl and dump it over the top.
I want another taste.
Yep, scoop some ice cream in a bowl. Careful, don't. There.
Fine.
Is that enough?
Yeah. We might need to make some more. Stir it in with your snow.
Looks like mashed potatoes. And there you have it. Some vanilla snow ice cream. Is it good? I'm about to try it. That's pretty good.
Is it good?
I guess it's good. All right, y'all, we had a long day today. We're going to go enjoy some more ice cream, sit down, just chill, maybe watch a movie tonight. Movie night too? Oh, man. Y'all stay tuned for the next video.
Thanks for watching.